if you want to see what it's like to navigate on this boat, you have the GPS. Then you also have paper charts. Yeah, who likes paper charts? Trying to navigate with the lat long. So you got a lat long, and then paper chart, and trying to make sure you're not hitting any rocks. Luckily we're in a good spot, and we're pretty far offshore now. But before we was getting a little close. So, and then I got VHF radio with AIS on here, as you can see. Sorry, it's a little bumpy right now. Anyways, just holding on, trying to stay dry. Not good. On that broach, we just broke the pole that supports the bowsprit. As you can see, that is not supposed to be like that. Day 3 on terminal leave here. It's 9 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, just kind of had a shitty morning. The bowsprit support pole just broke, as you just saw in the video. So. Yeah, that's not good. I need to figure out how to fix that so I can get the spinnaker back up, because we got about 150 miles to go to the finish, and it's a perfect downwind sailing right now. Luckily, without the spinnaker up, I'm still going about up to 7.5 knots. So it's not the end of the world. I'm still moving, but not as fast as I want to be. Yeah, 7 knots still isn't terrible. I was about to go fix the bowsprit support pole right away. Then I decided, you know what, no, I need to eat some breakfast, I need to relax. I've been pushing myself really hard since about 3 a.m. Earlier this morning, at around 3, the wind increased to about 30 knots, and a squall came through, so pouring down rain, blowing over 30 knots, and the boat did great, handled really well. I had a double reef in the main and a reef in the jib, cracked off a few degrees, and just went really fast. So it was good. Went through the waves fine, punched through them, had good power, good speed. But so I've been up since about 3 a.m. just going non-stop, and yeah, whereas I hadn't eaten anything all night or all morning. So needed some calories, needed some sugar, reset, recharge, threw on some new clothes, which is nice finally. And then about to figure out how to fix this thing. So I'm thinking about switching it with the other side, and then the bad one, maybe cut it down and make it a little shorter. We'll have to see. So we'll see. What else? The batteries are not looking good. They're both, one's at 27% and one's at 21%, which is really bad. You don't want to go down below normally, what, 50%, if that? But I got no other option. I'm trying to charge them with solar panels, but it looks like they're not getting charged by the solar panels right now. So I'm just going to push them as hard as I can go, and then just be ready to hand steer for the rest of the way through the night. So luckily I got a little bit of sleep last night until that squall, and then I'm going to try to get some more sleep too later on if I can, or just take little naps here and there. So we'll see. That's all for now. Time to go fix the spinnaker bowl.